Hi, I'm Jennifer Howe with DyeMansion. Excited to be here at Rapid 2019. With the presence that we now have in North America, we are so excited that we're able to serve our customers more timely, especially being here in the automotive mecca, working with our automotive customers more closely, and also all the other verticals that are around.
So what you see here are typical automotive parts. And the request from our automotive customers was to increase significantly light and heat resistance, because this is one of the key mechanical or technical requirements that the automotive industry has. We are keeping the structures, the textures with our process, and it's colored with automotive black. Any other color that our customers are interested in, we can speak about, and we can develop another customized color. It can be a red, it can be a blue, that meets these standards as well.
I'm here at Rapid to tell you more about our neon colors that we also developed for the launch of our new extended color range. So these vibrant colors look amazing under the black light we see now. And with the colors, we're targeting lifestyle applications that are really outstanding, like for example footwear, eyewear or other wearables.
Cheers to 2019 Rapid.
See more colorful parts in the future. Cheers to that.